day steady with the positive bias because a lot of individual stocks, wherever earnings were hitting the mark, those stocks were rewarded in a big fashion. For the large cap screen, about a 45-point gain. Let's talk about the winners then. And Shriram Finance definitely takes the top honor. 6% up on Shriram Finance, taking its monthly win to 30%. That's the kind of run the stock has had. The other name that perked up after earnings was Tata Consumer, 2.5% up over here. A bunch of auto stocks had a good session today. Tata Motors and Mahindra, both of them going home with gains of about 2% apiece. Then you had a couple of financials like HDFC Life, SBI Life, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. So fair amount, even State Bank of India, by the way. So fair amount of green across the financial landscape. What didn't work? Maruti Suzuki. It seems that the management saying that steady state 7 to 10% sort of growth across the portfolio. That triggered some profit taking on the stock, so down about 3.5%. ITC, L&T, TCS, these were the other three big stocks, which were down about 1.5%. But a much better flare in the broader market, Nigel.
Well, that's right. Vodafone Idea, the relief came in, stock up 10%. Sterling Wilson, another stock that's seen a big fall from the top, that was up close to around 8%. BLS E-Services, that's the other stock that was up close to around 14%. And EPAC Prefab, that stock was up close to around 10%. So big moves in some of these names. Vedanta, we told you that, in fact, those numbers look pretty okay. The management commentary was super. Brokerages are quite optimistic with regard to the prospects. I think the joker in the pack is going to be that demerger as well as JL. For the time being, the stock went up close to around 4% in trade. Refining margins have been improving. BPCL's numbers are quite good. That stock, in fact, went up a good deal in today's trading session. Urban Company, not on the winners list today, so that did see some selling. And IDBI Bank, after seeing a good run in the last few trading sessions, that as well came in for some profit taking. But net, you'll have to say that today was a pretty good trading session. And in fact, the bulls will be quite satisfied to see a bit of a recovery from the lows. Not out of the woods, but at least a bit of a pop.
Absolutely, and I think, decent day to start the week. 50-odd points, 25,775. It's a wrap of this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. It's goodbye. Thanks very much for staying with us. Markets Forward comes up in just a bit.